Yo, what's up guys? Back in today with episode 2, and yeah, we're just going to do some Pokemon Champions. Let's get right into it. Ooh, okay. So, they should, if I'm them, I'm not putting Charizard or Incineroar in because they're fire. They're probably going to put Rotom because it's water, predicting I'm going to get water and electricity, predicting I'm going to go Pelipper for lightning. Yeah, so instead I'll go Grimmsnarl, right, to get some screens up, which will really diminish their Incineroar and King Gambit, and then I'm going to get Metagross up. And then we'll go Pelipper because we're playing Rain. Swampert won't get much value in this matchup. But then again, it's a water type against the Charizard. So mind you, yeah, let's go Swampert. Okay. After that, get some screens up. Okay, good go. Ooh, let's go into King Gambit. Ooh, Iron Head. Okay, we need reflector. I can't remember which way around it is. Yeah, physical. That's special. We'll get light screen up. Right. We Mega Evolve, Body Press, straight onto King Gambit. If I have Body Press, that's it. Psychic Terrain, that's all. We get light screen, that's gonna. I was cooked with that light screen. Okay, my opponent, I'm not gonna lie, kinda messed up. Or you Psychic Terrain in there? Using ability that gets affected by it. Let me know, should I do more funny commentary or more like actual commentary? Right, we're gonna need to get Reflector because we're just cooked. Right, with Incineroar. Right. So they're definitely gonna go Metagross. Right, then defensive this time. Then we go Reflect, I think. Sing down. Okay. Next turn, I think use Parting Shot for Pelipper. Yeah, Parting Shot and then Incineroar and go Pelipper. And we need to get the Sunny Day out because when they swap, if they've not got Charizard, then they're cooked. And when they swap it like that, from like going to cook. And then this guy we swap out for Swampert. Oh wait, Parting Shot best not fail, I best not just be done. Please actually work. Okay, I suck at the game. How do they use Parting Shot? No. Why are they swapping? Why are they going to Charizard? If they don't have Fake Out, well, I'm faking it. Right, let's just do a normal swap with Pelipper. That guy's definitely gonna like using sort of crazy stuff, so chat, what should we do? Wave, Crash or Protect? Because their guys, they don't target my Swampert, and I was going to absolutely trust their target. No more sunlight yet. Sunlight. Oh no, I forgot about that. Yeah, don't worry. I'm still in gold gold. Yeah, so good. Mind you, that might cook up on the phone. Nice, okay. Right, Pelipper. Pelipper, you need your tailwind. But Wave crashed straight onto the Charizard. I think that one shots, but I might be wrong. But so being also one shot. Citrus berries clutch. Right, tailwind. We should go first now. Oh my gosh. Right, let's go Metagross. Let's go Metagross. Because we just need some DPS. Right, we go Wide Guard. That stops them from using that special move, I think. Then we go Psychic Fangs and Charizard. That should do some good damage. And you know. Wide Guard grip. Yes, sir. Don't know how Psychic Fangs is only effective, but it's good. Oh, never mind, they use Expanding Force. Don't think we can double Wide Guard. I'm just gonna double check. Oh, baby! Triple! Free priority. Oh no, Incineroar doesn't. Wait, no, they're not running Incineroar with defense. They're good. Because if their Incineroar doesn't have lots of defense, yeah, they've got Fake Out. Told you. Again, right, we Hurricane on them. We Body Press again. Or do we Protect? No, because one of them's going to go for my Pelipper. Or they might use a more strong move. No, not triple. Yeah, Body Press, because pretty sure they have high defense. Yeah, obviously they have Citrus Berry. They avoided my attack, which could be awful. I think we're still winning. Incineroar Heat Wave. Okay, remember that. Burn it. Right. We swap you in. I think foul play. Or do we get Light Screen back up? Balance. Go Reflect's got one more. Could go Light Screen. No, foul play. Autopilot. We have to go Light Screen, I think. Can we go Light Screen? Because no, that's gonna hopefully stop me from the burning, and knowing them, they're definitely about like do Expanding Force or something. something there. You need that light screen. Heat wave, yeah. Don't know why that is. Right. Oh. Maybe I'm done. Maybe that doesn't stop that. Oh, we just got started. Okay. I reckon I already won, but yay. They forfeited. First match of the day. Also, let me know down below in the comments how many matches I should do. So I'm only gonna do like, yeah, one today because this is my first time using the mic. Yeah. So, thank you for watching. Bye. Please comment down below your thoughts on the videos. Please like and subscribe if you would like to. Obviously, share your opinion. Thank you loads. Bye.